Hello guys, my name is Luca from Audio Tribe YouTube channel, and in this video I will make an unboxing with the JBL Partybox Ultimate. This is the new release model in 2023 and should be the best party speaker on the market. However, the manufacturer JBL, Sony, LG, this should be the best and the most expensive because it costs around $1,600 US dollars. So let's go and make the unboxing. As you see, this is a huge box. I think it has 150 centimeters and it should be tough to make this unboxing, but I will try. I had before the JBL Partybox 1000, the JBL Partybox 710, and now this one. So to take out the speaker, you just need to open the box and let it slide. So let's see if I can do it. This is not safe. But as you can see on the box, it says open the top, put it with the bottom down, and then just take out the box. So let's see how easy it is to do this. But it is worth it. It is the JBL Partybox Ultimate. Whew. So as you can see on the box, it has wireless, so this is a new feature. It has Bluetooth, it has Dolby Atmos, so I think this speaker will have lateral speakers. It has Apple AirPlay, Spotify, Chromecast built-in, and works with Alexa and Google Home. Let's put the box on the side. So nothing more in the box. And let's see the speaker. So I think now I will take off this part. Here we have the charging cable, because unfortunately I hoped that this speaker should have a built-in battery, but it has only cables to connect it to the socket. So these are the cables, the manual that no one reads, and what can I say? I was really hoping for the JBL to release a speaker with a built-in battery, because Sony has the XV900. That is a very good speaker in my opinion. So this is the moment of truth. This is the upper part and this is the wheels part. Okay. Oh. This is very heavy, very heavy, but I managed to do this. I was waiting for this moment for a year or about a year and a half, and this is the moment. This is the JBL Partybox Ultimate. As you can see, it has a new logo that in my opinion it is more modern than the old one. It has these wheels, it has everything new. JBL Partybox. Here we can connect a mic, here a mic or a guitar, AUX, USB for charging a phone or something else, and this we have the daisy chain where you can connect multiple speakers, and here you can store your cables. So this is a cool features. But look at this hole, this is amazing. Remember, this speaker is splash proof, and let me plug in the socket. First I want to tell you this. I had the JBL Partybox 710, the JBL Partybox 1000, now I have the Ultimate. I have the Partybox on the go, I have the Partybox 310. I am a big fan of JBL, but this should have the best audition that can be on the JBL, because compared to the JBL Partybox 710 that has only 2 woofers and 2 tweeters, 2 8-inch woofers and 2 tweeters, and compared to the JBL Partybox 1000 that has on the bottom one big woofer, one 12-inch woofer and 2 7-inch speakers and 2 tweeters. This has 2 9-inch woofers, 2 4-inch mid-range drivers and 2 tweeters. So this is the moment when the JBL Partybox is plugged in. But you know what is missing compared to the JBL Partybox 1000? It misses the wristband. Unfortunately it is missing. So this is the first. The house already is shaking. So let's see here. We have a button for changing the lights. As you can see, it has LEDs on every part. Here, on the back, even on the ground. We have here the Bluetooth, the digital chain, the bass boost that has 2 modes, and the party pad. This is much smaller than the JBL Partybox 1000. So I think these two we need to go in the app and see. I want to show you the bottom part. As you can see, it doesn't have a speaker there. I want to see it too. So here the JBL Partybox 1000 had a 12-inch woofer. The 710 doesn't have, and the same the JBL Partybox Ultimate, it doesn't have. Here we have the lights that I already told you, and here is just a handle to take it with you. You see here, this is rubber for not shaking too much. And now I will play a song. So I take out my phone, I just press on the Bluetooth button, Bluetooth search, JBL Partybox Ultimate, and now it is connected. I will turn the lights off because this speaker is very nice. It's because it has these light shows. This is the volume indicator. I think this is not safe. So all the house is shaking. Oh, the bass boost wasn't on. Please tell me in the comments, what do you think? Is this the coolest speaker on the market? Look again at the lights. Feel free to subscribe Audio Tribe YouTube channel and please hit that like button. Cheers!